Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, today we discuss about human genetic disorders. So let's start our topic, that is human genetic disorders. These genetic disorders are divided into two main groups. First one is chromosomal disorder and another one is Mendelian disorder. So let's start. हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पहले क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर के साथ. तो पहले डिस्कस कर लेते हैं क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर. आफ्टर दैट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मेंडेलियन डिसऑर्डर. क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, जैसे कि नाम से पता चल रहा है कि क्रोमोसोम से रिलेटेड डिसऑर्डर्स हैं. These are the chromosomal related genetic disorder. Whereas into the Mendelian disorders, we discuss about the disorders which caused due to the gene mutations. जीन में चेंजेस होने की वजह से जो डिसऑर्डर्स होती हैं वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेंडेलियन डिसऑर्डर के अंदर. सो क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, these are the disorders which caused due to the absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. तो रीजन कुछ भी हो सकता है इनका. इस तरीके के डिसऑर्डर्स के बारे में अगर हम बात करते हैं, क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर दे कैन बी कॉज्ड ड्यू टू एब्सेंस, या तो कोई क्रोमोसोम यहाँ पे एब्सेंट होगा ड्यू टू एब्सेंस, और वी कैन से ड्यू टू द एक्सेस ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. क्रोमोसोम्स का नंबर इंक्रीज हो सकता है, और ड्यू टू अबनॉर्मल अरेंजमेंट, या फिर क्रोमोसोम्स का अरेंजमेंट जो होगा वो अबनॉर्मल हो जाएगा. इस तरीके की कोई भी रीजन अगर प्रेजेंट है, दैट इट विल रिजल्ट इनटू द क्रोमोसोमल जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर. एंड यहाँ पे क्रोमोसोम कोई वन भी हो सकता है एंड कुड बी मोर देन वन, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ वन, और यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं वन और मोर देन वन. तो कितने भी क्रोमोसोम्स में हो सकता है, वन हो सकते हैं, टू हो सकते हैं, डिपेंड करता है सिचुएशन के ऊपर. And if any one chromosome get absent or one is excessed or any one chromosome get abnormally arranged or more than one, then this type of disease is caused. So these are the chromosomal disorders. These chromosomal disorders further divided into the two groups on the basis of chromosomes where they occur. किस तरीके की क्रोमोसोम के अंदर ये डिजीजेस हो रही हैं, उसके बेसिस पे इन डिजीज को हम फर्दर टू ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. The first one which happens into the autosomes, जो भी हमारे normal chromosomes होते हैं. You know that we have 46 chromosomes. We have 46 chromosomes, and these 46 chromosomes form into the 23 pair. 23 pair के अंदर मिलते हैं. Out of these 46, the 44 chromosomes are the autosomes. 44 chromosomes are autosomes. 44 तो होते हैं हमारे autosomes. And the last two chromosomes, जो last pair chromosomes होते हैं, these are known as, these two are sex chromosomes which are required to determining the sex. So these last two chromosomes are sex chromosomes. So on the basis of which kind of chromosomes are involved in these diseases, we classify these chromosomal diseases into two groups. First one is autosomal chromosomal disorder, and second one is the sex chromosomal disorder. ऑटोसोमल क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, यहाँ पे अगर हम देखते हैं कि टू कैटेगरी में हमने इन्हें डिवाइड किया है, ऑटोसोमल डिसऑर्डर एंड अनदर वन इज सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर. These are the two categories of these diseases, these disorders. So first of all we will discuss about the autosomal chromosomal disorder, यानी कि ऐसे डिजीजेस जो ऑटोसोम से रिलेटेड होती है. So let's see what are the example of these type of autosomal chromosomal disorders. Now let's see the examples of autosomal chromosomal disorder. These are the disorders which cause due to the any abnormalities into the autosomes. Here the list of these diseases are, or these disorders are: first one is the Down syndrome, second one Edwards syndrome, then third is cry-do-cat or cat's-cry syndrome, fourth one Patau syndrome, and then fifth one is myelogenous leukemia. These are some diseases or some disorders, we can say these are some disorders which cause due to any abnormalities into the autosomes. Let's discuss briefly about these diseases, then we discuss about the Down syndrome in more detail. Down syndrome is a disorder which caused due to the trisomy of chromosome number 21. It's caused due to the trisomy. Trisomy, we know that it means that one chromosome, one number of chromosome get increased. So it happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 21. This is the reason of this Down syndrome. We'll discuss about this disease in more detail. Next is Edwards syndrome. This is the disease in which we can say that it's caused due to the trisomy. Again, it's happened due to the trisomy. यहाँ पे भी reason जो है वो trisomy है, but it's happened due to the trisomy of chromosome number 18. Here, chromosome number 18 is involved for this disease. Trisomy, you know that due to the non-disjunction, जब during the cell division meiosis हो रहा है, cell division हो रहा है, the chromosomes get separated. अगर उस टाइम पे properly separation नहीं हो पा रहा chromosomes का, then one cell will get the extra number of chromosomes. This condition is known as non-disjunction. इसके बारे में हम पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं. It's non-disjunction. So we can say due to the non-disjunction, this condition arises, that is known as trisomy. And this Edwards syndrome happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 18. This type of due to this type of syndromes, the babies are not able to survive for a long time. बहुत जल्दी डेथ हो जाती है इस तरीके के बच्चों के अंदर. इनमें डेवलपमेंट अब नॉर्मल होता है, मेंटल डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो पाता. लाइक lots of symptoms are there, but they do not survive. They die at early stage. So this is about Edwards syndrome. Now, बात करते हैं cry to cat syndrome or cat's cry syndrome. This is the syndrome which happens due to the deletion of the short arm of chromosome number 5. यहाँ पे जो involved है chromosome वो है chromosome number 5. अब chromosome number 5 है, इसमें आपको पता है chromosomes have two arms, दो arms होती है, but due to the deletion of short arm, जो short arm है chromosome number 5 की, it gets deleted. इसका कुछ पोर्शन जो होता है वो डिलीट हो जाता है, शॉर्टनिंग हो जाती है इस शॉर्ट आर्म की, that is of chromosome number 5. Due to this reason, this disease caused or this disorder caused, that is known as cry-do-cat. In this type of disorder, we can say that the baby cry in such a way that ऐसी आवाज आती है कि cat के रोने जैसी या cat जैसी साउंड आती है रोते हुए उसकी गले से, उसके थ्रोट से. That's why it is known as cat cry syndrome. Next syndrome is Patau syndrome. Patau syndrome causes due to, again it's due to the trisomy. ये भी trisomy की वजह से हो रही है, trisomy of chromosome number 13. Here chromosome number 13 is responsible for the Patau syndrome. इस तरीके के जो बच्चे होते हैं उनके अंदर भी कुछ abnormalities देखने को मिलती है, like mental डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा, जो लिप्स होता है अपर लिप वो कटेड होता है, क्लफ्ट के फॉर्म में होता है, मींस एक कट प्रेजेंट रहता है, बट बाय सर्जरी इट कैन बी फॉर्म नॉर्मल. सो दिस इज अबाउट द Patau syndrome and it happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 13. This is the reason of this syndrome. Next autosomal chromosomal disorder is myelogenous leukemia. Leukemia is again a disease, you know, that is a cancer जिसमें uncontrolled growth होती है सेल की. So it happens due to this type of reason, but the actual reason of this disorder, this leukemia, is in this type of condition. What happens here? Two chromosomes are involved. First, that is the chromosome number 22. Chromosome number 22 का कुछ पोर्शन, इसका जो कुछ पोर्शन होता है, इसकी जो लॉन्ग आर्म होती है, उसका कुछ पोर्शन कट हो जाता है and it get edited or get attached with the chromosome number 9. So इस तरीके की यहाँ पे एक abnormalities देखने को मिल रही है that chromosome number 22, इसका जो long arm है, so some portion of this long arm get cutted and it gets joined with the chromosome number 9. Chromosome number 9 के साथ जाके join हो जाएगा and this condition is known as leukemia, this myelogenous leukemia. This is again a autosomal disorder. Now we discussed a little bit about, we have taken idea of all type of autosomal disorder that will be very beneficial for your competitive exams. But as your CBSE board exam, we will focus on to this disease, that is Down syndrome. So we'll discuss about this Down syndrome in more detail now. So let's start our talk. Down syndrome. Now let's start Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a syndrome which was first reported or described by the Langdon Down. Langdon Down was the person who first described or reported this syndrome. That's why that name Down syndrome is given for the honor of this scientist, Langdon Down. So what happens during this disease, this syndrome? It's an autosomal aneuploidy. It's autosomal aneuploidy where the number of chromosomes are increasing. यहाँ पे chromosome number increase हो रहे हैं. It happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 21. It happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 21. Here the presence of extra chromosome number 21. Reason is the presence of extra chromosome number 21. This we already discussed. The reason for this extra chromosome number 21 is non-disjunction, which happens during the process of meiosis. When at the anaphase stage, when the homologous chromosome gets separated, but if this separation is not proper, किसी भी reason से अगर properly separation नहीं हो पा रहा, then chromosome do not equally divided into the both cell. And that condition is known as non-disjunction. And due to this non-disjunctions, one cell get the extra number of chromosomes, and then this disease could be happens. In the case of female, if we discuss about in the case of female, where at the time of oogenesis, अगर oogenesis हो रहा है, suppose at the time of oogenesis, the female have one extra chromosome. Oogenesis होगा, the cells ovaries will be formed, and if one female gamete contain one chromosome, one extra chromosome, so the condition there will be present at this, it can be shown as a n+1. So n+1 condition हो जाएगी. So this is the egg which is having one extra chromosome, and when this egg, this abnormal egg or abnormal female gamete get fertilized by a normal male gamete. अगर एक normal male gamete से इसका fusion हो रहा है, suppose one sperm is coming which is having X chromosome, जिसके अंदर X chromosome है. At this condition, we can say that it will get one extra chromosome. It will get one extra chromosome. So the individual which are suffering from this disease, they will have 45 chromosomes instead of 44 autosomes. They have 45 chromosomes. So it could be 45 plus X6. That condition will be female. It's this condition. The affected person will be the female which have one extra autosomes. That is chromosome number 21. So condition will be 45 plus X6 or it could be 45 plus XY. तो यहाँ पे इस तरीके की condition हो सकती है. Suppose in the case of male, if we discuss, in the case of male also, if male gamete carrying one extra chromosome and then it fertilized with the normal male gamete, एक normal N gamete, female gamete के साथ fertilization होगा, then also this disease could be caused. So we can say that Down syndrome can be happen due to the n+1 gamete of male or female when it fertilized with the normal N gamete. जब एक n+1 gamete fertilize करेगा एक N gamete के साथ, चाहे वो मेल का हो या फीमेल का हो, at this condition, this disease, this syndrome can be happen. But chances of this disease found in the females more. फीमेल्स में oogenesis के टाइम पे इस तरीके की abnormalities देखने को मिल सकती है, क्योंकि oogenesis जो है एक लॉन्ग प्रोसेस है. बहुत बार यहाँ पे जो है प्रोसेस जो होती है वो स्टॉप होती है, रुकती है अलग अलग स्टेजेस पे. दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन आवर प्रीवियस चैप्टर, दैट इज रिप्रोडक्शन. वहाँ पे हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं कि कितनी बार oogenesis जो प्रोसेस है वो स्टॉप हो गई. तो यहाँ पे कुछ रीजंस होती हैं जिसकी वजह से हम कह सकते हैं दैट फीमेल gamete could be abnormal, it can have extra chromosomes. And here one more reason is there that at the means old age or other than person, that female, if the female age is 35 to 45, if the age of female is 35 to 45 years, and at this age it's form gametes and it will do fertilization and it's means it's think about the pregnancy, at that time the risk of this disease is increased. उस टाइम पे, इस एज के टाइम पे 45 और 35 से लेके 40 की एज के अंदर इस डिजीज, इस डाउन सिंड्रोम के होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं. सो दीज आर दी some factors or some important things about the Down syndrome. Now let's see what are the symptoms of this disease. So let's see the symptoms of Down syndrome. In the Down syndrome, the main symptom that we can see are the broad forehead. जो Down syndrome से होते हैं पेशेंट, अफेक्टेड पेशेंट, उनका फोरहेड जो होता है वो ब्रॉड होता है. दे हैव ब्रॉड फोरहेड and the neck is very short. They have short neck and the palm is also broad. They have broad palm and the mouth, it remains permanently open. The permanently open mouth is there and with this open mouth the protruding tongue is means जो उनका मुंह है वो हमेशा खुला रहता है और जो टंग है वो बाहर निकली रहती है. This is also a symptom of Down syndrome. And they have lower projecting lower lip. जो lower lip होता है वो projecting रहता है, ये नीचे की तरफ लटका हुआ रहता है. This is also one more symptom. Next thing that we can see in the case of Down syndrome that gonads and the genitalia. Gonads और genitalia जो होते हैं they are under undeveloped. यहाँ पे जो gonads है reproductive system है इसकी पूरी तरीके से development नहीं हो पाती, so they remain undeveloped. So this is about the Down syndrome. These are the main symptom. इस तरीके के means symptom के basis पे we can identify the person having the disease that is Down syndrome. And the main thing that you have to keep remember about this disease is that it happens due to the trisomy of chromosome number 21. So this is about Down syndrome. Now we will discuss about the 6 chromosomal disorders. अभी तक हम discuss कर रहे थे autosomes related chromosomal disorder. अब हम बात करेंगे 6 chromosomal disorders. 6 chromosomal disorders are the disorder which caused due to the abnormalities in the 6 chromosomes. And in this disorder, in this criteria, we will discuss some diseases like Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, super male, super female, etc. So let's start our topic that is 6 chromosomal abnormalities or disorders. Now let's discuss about 6 chromosomal disorder. In 6 chromosomal disorder, first we'll discuss about the Turner syndrome. पहले हम बात करते हैं Turner syndrome की. Turner syndrome is a syndrome which was discovered by H. Turner, and in the honor of the name of the scientist, the name of syndrome is Turner syndrome. So this is the syndrome which happens due to the monosomy, and the monosomy means here the one chromosome is less than the normal condition. And the chromosome which is less than is a 6 chromosome. As we are discussing 6 chromosomal related disorder, तो यहाँ पे जो monosomy है वो भी 6 chromosome की monosomy है. And in this way, we can say that normal genotype is 2n-1. एक chromosome जो होगा वो कम हो जाएगा as the normal 2n. जो हमारे 2n chromosomes होते हैं उसमें से एक chromosome कम होगा. This is a female genetic disorder. ये एक फीमेल जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर है and it's caused characterized by hypogonadism. So we can say it's a female related होता है female genetic disorder, female genetic disorder, and इसमें hypogonadism हो जाएगा means the gonads are not developed properly and the female which is suffering from this disease, this disorder has monosomic for the X chromosomes. X chromosome के लिए एक sex chromosome फीमेल है, so we know female has the 2 X chromosome. फीमेल के अंदर 2 X chromosome होते हैं, but due to this syndrome it has 1 chromosome less than the normal condition. तो एक X chromosome कम हो जाएगा and this condition is known as monosomic for 6 chromosome. That's why we are saying that female will be monosomic for 6 chromosome. अब देखते हैं कि एक्चुअल में ये डिसऑर्डर होती क्यों है. What is the reason how this disorder can be originated? रीजन यहाँ पे ये हो सकता है suppose one a normal allosomic free, normal नहीं कहेंगे, पहले हम देखते हैं one allosomic free egg. अगर एक egg है, suppose this is the egg and this egg has not any 6 chromosome, it just has 22 chromosome. So if this 22 plus 0 means this is egg, it should have 1 X chromosome. But this X chromosome is lacking here. It has just only autosome. When this type of egg get fused with a normal sperm which has X chromosome, अगर इस तरीके का एक normal X carrying sperm के साथ fuse करता है, at this condition the individual which will be formed, यहाँ पे जो individual बनेगा, it would have the chromosome of 44 plus X0. The genotype which will be found into the individual will be 44 plus X0 because it will lack 1 X chromosome. Another situation could be there that if the egg is normal, egg has allosome and autosome, both are there, 22 plus X. This is the egg. When this normal egg gets fertilized with the sperm, this X containing containing sperm but it's lack X containing. यहाँ पे suppose इस sperm के अंदर कोई भी X chromosome नहीं है. When these two gametes get fertilized, the individual which will form, it has again the genotype that will 44 plus 0. It will also lack one X chromosome. So this condition is known as Turner syndrome, which is due to the monosomy of one sex chromosome, and the sex chromosome which is lacking here is X chromosome. Here I know that you are thinking about, आपके दिमाग में भी ये आइडिया आएगा कि यहाँ पे हम फीमेल की बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे Y भी तो हो सकता था. अगर Y कंटेनिंग होता या यहाँ Y कंटेनिंग होता, सपोज यहाँ Y होता तो 44 प्लस Y0 भी हो सकता था. The condition could be the 44 plus Y0. This condition could be arises. ये कंडीशन भी तो हो सकती है जहाँ पे एक एलोसोमिक जो एग है वो Y कंटेनिंग फॉर्म के साथ फ्यूज हो. But this condition is not viable. इस तरीके के मेल जो होते हैं it could not be possible. Survive ही नहीं कर सकते. Reason is there कि one X chromosome, एक X chromosome होना बहुत जरूरी होता है, whether it is male or female, because the X chromosomes contain some important genes for the metabolism. And with the absence of this X chromosome, this condition is not possible. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि इस तरीके के तो कोई possibility की chances ही नहीं है. Only the individual which can be formed by this syndrome are 44 plus X0. तो यहाँ पे 44 plus X0 condition मिलेगी या XO भी बोल सकते हैं. और reason यहाँ पे दो हो सकते हैं. If egg is abnormal, which is not having any allosome, and it get fertilized with normal X containing sperm, or the egg is normal, it is having autosomes and one sex chromosome, X sex chromosome, and it get fertilized with the without any allosomes sperm. कोई sperm जिसके अंदर कोई भी sex chromosome नहीं है, X chromosome नहीं है, अगर उसके साथ fertilize करता है, then this disease can be occur. And the characterize जो यहाँ पे हमें characters जो main मिलेंगे, that is hypogonadism, because one X chromosome is lacking, and due to the absence of one X chromosomes, the characters of the females get means they are not be expressed properly. So let's discuss about the symptoms also, so that we can understand this disease very well. So let's see what are the symptoms. So these are the symptoms related with the Turner syndrome. As we know that this is the related with the deficiency of one X chromosome. So X chromosome नहीं होगा, it will affect the development of reproductive system of the female. So the characters are they underdeveloped breasts are not developed properly when the female is suffering from Turner syndrome. Second, we can say that reduced ovaries and uterus or ovary are also underdeveloped. Immediate development नहीं हो पाती, and due to these type of abnormalities, the effect on the secondary sexual characters also arises. कुछ secondary sexual character भी यहाँ पे visualize नहीं होंगे. Next, we can say that mental retardation could be there, and infertility. These are the some reasons or some symptoms related with the Turner syndrome, which happens due to the monosomy of one X chromosome. And the female which is suffering from this disease have the number of chromosome in such type of females as 45, as the normal is the 46. It will lack one X chromosome. So this is about Turner syndrome. Now let's discuss the next sex chromosomal related disorder, which is Klinefelter syndrome. Now let's see Klinefelter syndrome. This is the syndrome which happens due to the one extra X chromosome. This is the disorder related with the sex chromosome. सेक्स chromosomal related disorder है, और यहाँ इस disease के अंदर one extra X chromosome present होता है. This disease happens due to the one addition X chromosome and the genotype of the individual. अब एक extra X chromosome होगा तो genotype definitely change होगा. Normal genotype जो होता है 44 plus XY. यहाँ पे normal phenotype genotype जो होगा वो हो जाएगा 44 plus XXY. You can see that here, due to the presence of Y chromosome, the patient or the person who is suffering from this disease would be the male. यहाँ पे male में ही इस तरीके की disorder देखने को मिलता है, and due to the one extra X chromosome, these males show some feminine character. They are masculine in the character wise, at the body development they are masculine, but they show some feminine character also. अब एक extra chromosome है X chromosome, तो ये अपने character show करेगा. And in such kind of organism, gynecomastia can be seen. Gynecomastia is the condition in which we can see that the ब्रेस्ट गेट डेवलप्ड, ब्रेस्ट के अंदर डेवलपमेंट हो जाती है, मेल के अंदर डेवलप्ड ब्रेस्ट शो होते हैं, and the degeneration of the seminiferous tubules, seminiferous tubules get degenerated, they are not able to do work properly. And another character which we can see is the mental retardation, mental retardation भी देखने को मिलता है. So these are the some symptoms related with Klinefelter syndrome, but let's see how this disorder happens. What is the reason behind this disorder? Klinefelter syndrome happens when one female gamete, if the female gamete has two X chromosomes, so this is an egg, and this egg, as a normal one egg contains single X chromosome, but here when the X is containing two X chromosome, this two X chromosome containing X get fertilized by a sperm. It's fertilized by a sperm, which is the Y content. In this situation, the individual which will be formed, जब ऐसा individual बनेगा, this individual has the genotype of 44 plus XX and 1. This is the one reason where the egg is abnormal, which is having two X chromosome. Another condition could be there that egg is normal. Suppose the egg is normal. This is the normal egg which is having single X chromosome. This normal egg is fertilized by a sperm, and this sperm is having one X chromosome as well as it has one Y chromosome also. In this situation, if this type of fertilization happens, in this situation also we get the genotype that is 44 plus XXY. So this could be also give rise to the Klinefelter syndrome. So this is the reason by which we can say that Klinefelter syndrome happens. And here we discuss about some important symptoms of this disease also. Now we will discuss about, we already discussed about the autosomal disorder, chromosomes के हम autosomal disorder discuss कर चुके हैं, where we discussed Down syndrome in more detail, and we discussed about the 6 chromosomal disorder जिसमें हमने Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome discuss किया है. Now let's take some another example of this type of 6 chromosomal related disorder like super male and super female. तो अब हम देखते हैं इनके बारे में. Let's see one more conditions related with the 6 chromosome related disorder. In some ways, in some individual, this situation has been seen that they have extra number of 6 chromosomes. Like as the normal 2 chromosomes, 6 chromosomes, 2 X chromosomes are present in a female. If any female having 3 or more than 3 number of chromosomes, that this condition arises. This is known as super female or poly X chrome syndrome. This is also known as poly X syndrome. जहाँ पे 6 chromosome जो X है उसके नंबर increase हो जाते हैं. Here the total number of chromosomes, like total 46 chromosomes arises in each individual. यहाँ पे total chromosomes हो सकते हैं 47 or it could be 48 or it could be 49 also. So if any female is having one or two extra X chromosomes, then this type of females are known as super females, and the situation is known as poly X syndrome. इसे हम poly X syndrome कहेंगे. यहाँ पे जो symptoms देखने को मिलते हैं, the symptoms that are developed here, that abnormal sexual development होती है. यहाँ पे development जो होगी वो abnormal होगी because one X chromosome is extra here. So they show abnormal sexual development and mental retardation. We can write here abnormal sexual development and mental retardation. These are some symptoms which can be seen in this type of situation. The another situation which we can see is super males or poly Y condition. Poly Y means the male which are having one extra Y chromosome. Then this condition is known as poly Y, and the individuals are known as super males. These total number of chromosomes will be 47 here also, and due to the presence of these extra Y chromosomes, these type of males again show some specific characteristics. The characteristic which we can see here, that is they have above average height. Height जो होती है वो increase हो जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा height देखने को मिलती है इस तरीके के individual के अंदर, and this show subnormal intelligence show करते हैं, and intelligence. And one thing that we can say here, that इस तरीके के मेल जिनके अंदर एक्स्ट्रा वाई क्रोमोसोम होगा, द टेस्टोस्टेरोन इज सिक्रेटेड इन हाई अमाउंट, और वी कैन से टेस्टोस्टेरोन जो होगा वो बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव होगा, क्योंकि वाई क्रोमोसोम्स जो है वो टेस्टोस्टेरोन मेल के सेकेंडरी सेक्सुअल कैरेक्टर्स को कंट्रोल करने वाला जीन है। तो यहाँ पे इस तरीके के मेल्स जो होते हैं दे आर फाउंड टू बी एग्रेसिव, और यहाँ पे एक्स्ट्रा मींस एग्रेसिवनेस शो होती है इस तरीके के मेल्स के अंदर। सो हियर दिस इज अबाउट पॉली X chromosomal disorder, and this is poly Y6 chromosomal disorder. So in this way we completed our genetic disorder portion, that is chromosomal disorder. हमने chromosomal disorder अपनी complete कर ली है. In the next section we will discuss about the Mendelian disorder. So keep watching, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you.